Okay, so we have the wallet, charging pad, and 2 receivers, which is included every single set purchase which we offer. So what we first have to do, we have to determine if our telephone is compatible for iPhone or for micro USB. So we have 2 telephones here. One is the iPhone and one is the Samsung. Okay, so what we've included is 2 of these options to make your phone wireless. The Samsung S6 and S7 is built in, but currently at the moment a few others are not, so you have to have this as well. So for example, once you have to remove this from here, so this is a Samsung one which I've installed onto my own phone and I've been using it very happily. And what we've done is place it on the back, and it connects to the back input of the power input of the telephone. And if I remove it here, what I've done is I've actually put a bit of blue tack on the end as well, rather than use the sellotape, which is a bit better as an option there as well. So what you do is a similar idea. You slot it in the back and you place it on the front. If you don't use a sticky tape that's provided, you can use a bit of blue tack as well. And then for Apple you do the same as well for the Apple one. So you just take the Apple one, and so the same logic idea, you place it in the back and it fits nicely in the back there. And if you had a cover, you just place a nice thin leather cover on the transparent cover on the back of it, and that will also make it fit nicely as well. Okay, so for the sake of argument, I use my own phone, which is a Samsung Note 4, and I'll put the cover back on like that, and that gives you, okay, I think. Now the second phase, what we have to determine, obviously you want to see if the phone's working, and we have the charging pads. So the charging pad, you undo the elastic. This pad stays at home or in your office or anywhere else you want to have that wireless experience on it. This is using a QI charging, so obviously the connecting side, you plug it into the wall socket. So for example, you have a plug or wall like this, and it just slips in nicely, and you place it into the wall as well. So this is something we don't recommend people take use it as they travel. This is something that fits in your home or your office, and is something that is compatible with your phone. So once you've plugged that in, you'll get the green light coming up here, and all you have to do, as soon as you place it there, you place it on, and your phone charges wirelessly. Okay, so this is something you can buy outside. It's generic as well. It's nothing too fancy or surprising. It's something available on the market as well. Amazon, you can buy these wireless charging sets, some with single coil, some with double coil, etc. So, okay. So what the GoQi wallet does is actually, so the next stage is what we're trying to do is we're including the power bank included into your wallet and your accessory. So general experience is the main gusset section here, where the main gusset, we have the 6 light indicator and the on and off button. So you press it once to turn it on. We have 6 lights there, 2 blue lights and 4 green lights. The green lights, the function of the green lights is to indicate how much power is left in the wallet. There's 25%, 50, 75, 100%. So currently when I turn this on, there's 3 lights. It means it's 75% full, the battery currently inside this wallet. And the blue light at the bottom mean that the function of the wallet is actually active. So with the GoQi wallet, to test it there, obviously we test the wallet onto the pad and it works. So then when we place it there, the blue light at the top turns on, indicating that power's reading, and we're charging wirelessly as well. Okay. So the key of this function is the top blue light must be on to show that the wallet is actually charging the phone. Obviously the phone will tell you it's charging, but sometimes if people say, oh, how come it's not showing up, or we're not sure, the blue light there indicates it means it's working, the wallet's working. Okay, so that means we're charging there. And obviously from previous experience, we also had the option of having the back slot, so you can also place it on there as well, and it also charges it wirelessly there as well. You hear the beep beep, which is the Samsung, means it's charging. And then for the travel wallet, we also have the internal compartment, which is the red section. The red section is also the charging plate. So you place it there, and if you want to see if it's working, that blue light's there, you hear the beep, yep, and it means it's charging. Okay, it's as simple as that. There's 3 options. So then people are wondering, oh, why is this cable inside? So what the GoQi, what we have designed and developed is not just a wallet to charge your phone. Phone is one aspect, but we're having the wallet to charge many other devices as well. But then obviously some people, if they don't want wireless charging, you can charge your wallet by plugging it in. Similar concept like this. Plug in the wall, and it'll charge the wallet with a wire, just in case you haven't got the wireless pad. And also, if you want to charge it by non-wirelessly, we have the option of charging it through wired connection as well. Okay, so you can place it and also charge it that way. But the beauty of having the wire there is, for example, say if you have a travel tech piece like this, what you can do is you can unbuckle it, and this is a Bluetooth headset which links to my phone, and this uses a micro USB, and you can just plug it in, turn them in, and then it shows it's charging. Okay, so you can place it in there. That means that when my other accessories are empty in terms of the power capacities, we can just plug it in, and we have the power there to charge every other device, even devices that haven't even been invented yet. So you're wondering, okay, apart from charging the wallet wirelessly, with the wires, how else do you charge it? Also, the beauty on the charging wallet of our system is that we have a wireless receiving unit, which is the lightning spot in the front, where you just have to place it on the charging pad at home. Beep, reads it, it's blue light, and it starts charging. So with the content of the wallet, if it's flashing, it means it's charging. Okay. So whole experiences, we're trying to get away from wires completely as well. And that's the beauty of this experience. We're trying to remove wires from your lives, so you never have to plug in another wire ever again. Okay. And then for the Continental wallet, it's a double zip wallet. So obviously in the front compartment is purely for putting cards. You have a pen slot, picture frame, and a zip pocket to put any coins or keys, very thin items like that. So when you're charging, just remember, if you want to charge your phone on the outside, this compartment must be empty. Must not have anything inside. You can't put this other product items in there and expect it to be charged on the outside. The key is the red panel. The red panel touches outside, and that's where things are charging from. Okay, so this is the unboxing for the GoQi travel wallet, and I hope this helps in some ways in clarifying any issues anyone might have in terms of what we should be doing with the components when you receive them. Okay, thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.